What does it take to start an FRC team in 9 days? We are FRC 8429 Valence Robotics, a first-year team established in October 2021 from a spark of inspiration here in Durham, North Carolina. Our diverse team of students hail from counties across the state, with 42% of our team being composed of girls, 21% of our team identifying as LGBTQ+ individuals, and a total of 54% of our members being minorities.
Wait, introduce yourself. Hi, my name is Divya Chavla. I am the marketing lead for Valence Robotics, and some of my responsibilities include taking care of the image of the team, but also looking after certain aspects like competition logistics, looking over emails, etc.
Hi, my name is Melody. I work with the business side of Valence Robotics, and I primarily manage, for example, logistics, coordinating activities, and anything that's non-technical.
Why did you first join the team?
Yeah, so initially it was a bit of a random idea that popped up, very close actually to the registration date. And the enthusiasm the founders had was relatively contagious, and as a result, it was hard not to get involved, to put it simply. And so from there, it's just kind of grown into a long-term project.
Within the span of a few short months, we as students have juggled the establishment and reworking of team structure, raised over $20,000 in funds, and begun building a robot, accomplishing what will usually take a new team over a year to do.
Why did you stay on the team?
I stayed on the team because there were a lot of motivated individuals on the team. People were just trying really hard to get this team where it needed to be, and it was working. So I saw potential in this team, and I wanted to stay.
So the students on Valence Robotics are incredibly driven. I have a lot of respect for what they do. And as a result of that, it pushes me to try harder. And because of the challenge that being on Valence Robotics and being on FRC presents, it's almost impossible to leave behind, because the moment I do, it always manages to pull me back in because of the opportunities it creates, but also the sense, I suppose you say, of teamwork and just being together as Valence.
Each and every one of the students on our team is self-motivated, dedicated, and ambitious. We challenge ourselves through learning new skills, branching out of our comfort zones, and taking on extended responsibilities. Given our limited resources and time, we work hard to meet deadlines as fast as possible while upholding high quality. Most importantly, we have shown through our time in team management, logistics, and communication that we are able to adapt to any circumstance or obstacle. This ability to adapt has allowed us to also build connections within FRC. Since our team's creation, we have connected with local teams such as Cortex Robotics, Robo Eagles, Yeti Robotics, and the Falcons. We have also formed relations with local companies, striving to further expand our reach in the professional world. We hope to be able to form and maintain long-lasting relations so that our team can be sustainable, with the support from the community as well.
What have you learned or gained on the team?
Yeah, so there's a number of things as kind of being a part of business per se is relatively interesting, in the sense that I've gained a lot in terms of learning about communication, organization, and also being able to maintain a connection with a number of people, not just within the team, but also outside of the team. And as a result of that, I feel has helped me grow a little bit in terms of my hard skills.
I've learned so much on this team. I've learned a lot of how businesses function and how businesses should function, how to present yourself, how to market yourself, and really just how to work with a team in general. I've honestly learned more of being on this team than I have in quite a while in many experiences.
While our team places strong emphasis on student leadership, we understand that we are still students and that it is important to have an expert there to guide us. For that reason, we are looking for mentors that can help the team in all aspects of FRC. On the technical side, we have less electrical and mechanical experience from both students and mentors than we would like. We are also looking for advice on project management, presentation, and professional communication in order to better run our team.
This team is incredible. and amazing in all aspects. They started from scratch and put the team together in a very short time. By witnessing how these students started the team, how they overcame each obstacle, how hard they work together towards their goals, I'm inspired by their determination and dedication. I want to stay with them, be part of the great cause, and provide as much help as I can.
As we work to continue to grow both as students and a team, we seek Schneider Electric support in helping us achieve our 3 primary goals: 1. Development, 2. Sustainability, and 3. Challenge.
Why should others sponsor this team?
This team is a beginning team, it's a new team. It needs sponsors to help keep it going. We're strong, we have motivation, determination, and we will keep ourselves going. However, sponsorship would really help us grow beyond just surviving. We could thrive even further than what we're doing right now.
Firstly, we strive to develop not only our team, but our students as well, helping them grow in life. Our hope is to prepare our students to become future leaders in STEM through the development of their hard and soft skills. In order to do so, however, our students must ensure there exists sufficient funding and guidance, which is where mentors from Schneider Electric become an integral part of our team. Mentors from Schneider Electric will be able to apply their professional experience, which we hope will help our team grow from where we currently are. We deeply resonate with the core values of Schneider Electric, especially on the aspect of furthering inclusivity with a focus on sustainability. We seek to continue being an inclusive team and to work towards sustainability in the future. As a result, we see mentors from Schneider Electric as valuable individuals who can provide insight into the solutions we develop in ways we, as students, may not be able to see. Secondly, we seek to ensure the sustainability of our team so as to create a lasting impact. We wish to start to serve our local population in whatever ways we can, through outreach and company connections. This will allow for a stronger impact and the ability to continue any community-centered efforts. With the support of our mentors, this can be for years to come. Lastly, and most significantly, we strive to challenge ourselves. We encourage our students to be ambitious and reach for the stars. In spite of the roadblocks we face, in spite of the difficulties we encounter, we will do the impossible. One spark in 9 days stirred the fundamentals of our team. We'd love to have you with us for the rest of our journey.